Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to another card video for Trinity stamps. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick and simple card that you can do using ink blending techniques and a little bit of alcohol marker coloring. So to get started, I decided to do a little bit of ink blending with my Distress Oxides. You can use whatever ink you prefer for this. I do like the Distress Oxides because you can layer back over them with lighter colors, and rather than 100% blending, or like once you go too dark you can't go back, you do have a little bit of play with these where you can blend that lighter color back over the top, and your blend isn't necessarily ruined or turned muddy if you mix colors that may not really go together very well. So for this blend today I used tumbled glass, peacock feathers, and twisted citron. I love a lot of blues and greens, especially for happy, bright, summery, or spring feeling cards. And I thought that with the little gnome that I was using on the flower for today's card, this was a perfect fit for those color combinations. And I added a little pop of pink in there as well. Once I finished my ink blending, you can see I did leave the bottom portion white because I wanted to add a sentiment down there at the bottom. I used the Distress sprayer, sprayed the water into my hand, and then flicked that onto the card. I prefer doing it this way rather than spraying directly onto the card because I feel like you get a better variety of droplet sizes. This is just personal preference though. You can totally do this however you like. I am going to be doing some alcohol marker coloring here. If you're not interested in viewing the coloring, you can skip ahead to where the coloring is finished. Or if you like the coloring, sit back, relax. I'll pop some music on for you and I'll be back with you to finish off the card. All right, we are finished with the coloring and we're ready to put the card together. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and use that white space at the bottom, like I mentioned earlier, for a sentiment. So I decided to use this adorable little hello sentiment. This is from Hello Senti-mini, this adorable little stamp set. It is so perfect for so many different cards, and I like to be able to kind of just layer the stamp set itself over top and figure out which little greeting might go well or fit my space that I had available. I chose a little hello. I don't know, something about it just spoke to me because it's a little gnome sitting on a little flower. I don't know, it just seemed super cute to me. You can definitely change this up and make this fit whatever occasion you have, whether it's a birthday, a spring card, it really doesn't matter. It could be for just about anything. This little gnome is super versatile and totally adorable. Let me know if you guys like these little gnome sets that have been coming out down in the comments below. Trinity has a few of these come out, or has had a few of these come out recently, and I think they are the cutest little things, but I'd love to know what you guys think as well. I decided to go ahead and mount my card panel to a white A2 size card base. Normally I adhere my dimensional stuff first and then wish I hadn't so that it would have been easier to adhere to my card base, but I actually did it in the right order this time. I also cut out the little butterfly that was attached to our little gnome stamp and popped that and the gnome up on foam tape just to give it a little bit of dimension and a little added interest. And then I decided to finish off the card with a couple of clear sequins. This is one of my favorite go-to ways to embellish a card. It's simple, but with the clear, it just gives it a little bit of sparkle and something interesting. But I did decide to pull out my Midas Touch. This is like a gold sparkle pen from Nuvo to embellish the little butterfly up there and just give it, again, a little bit of sparkle. But that finished off the card. I did keep it really simple. I hope you guys love it, and you'll let me know what you think down below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, A Card Day's Work, be sure to subscribe and also subscribe to the Trinity channel so you never miss a video when it's posted. I'll see you guys in another one really soon. Have a good day.